Okay, so now in this section, we are going to learn how to import our assets inside of After Effects and how we are going to use that. Okay, so as we have discussed previously as well, that whatever you are going to import, it will show in this project window. And there are two ways to import. Simply double click, so you can click anything, or you can press Ctrl I on your keyboard, which is a shortcut key for importing. You can select any image and you can simply hit import, then it will show over here. Again, you can double click or Control I, you can select any videos, import, same procedure, and then you can bring that thing in your timeline over here, and if you hit spacebar, it will play. Okay, like that. Over here you will get this audio settings as well, like that. We are going to discuss about this timeline later, but right now our main focus is on this object only. Okay, so let's do one thing. I'm going to delete that by holding shift, and I'll simply hit delete, and if you delete, it will gonna be gone. Okay, similarly, if I hit Control I over here, sometimes what happens is that we have this PNG sequence over here, which are in the form of animation, like from frame 0 to frame 60. So this time what we can do, we can select this image, and over here you will get this option called PNG sequence, and you have to import. Now this is going to be import as a PNG sequence, and if you hit or you can bring this over here, and now if you hit spacebar, we will get this animation like this. Okay, so this is also one thing. Now sometimes what happens, like right now I have this PNG sequence. If I hit double click, I can go and I can import this image or audios and images as well. So all of them are over here only. So sometimes what happens, it is very difficult to organize our stuff. So at that time what we can do, we can create different sections for different categories. Like for images there is a different category, for audios different, and for videos different. So how we can do that, over here you will get this option called create a new folder. All you need to do is simply click on it, and let's call it as videos. Okay, like that. Sorry, select this, hit enter, and let's call it as videos, and hit enter. Then create another folder, but make sure that you're not selecting while doing that. So deselect and then create another folder, and let's call it as audios, like that. Deselect, create another folder, let's call it as images, like this. Okay, and then all you need to do, simply select your videos and move inside this folder, like that. Minimize it, whether you have this PNG sequence or by holding control. I'll select this images. I'm going to move inside this image folder, and this audio folder should be in audio one. Okay, and this is my compositions. So you can create another over here, and you can call it as comps, and you can move this comps over here. Okay, so now if you see, your project is really organized like that. Each and everyone has different sections. Okay, so this was the concept of your PNG sequence, importing assets and organizing assets. In the next video, we are going to learn something different.